To another form Titan video, and in this word add-in video I'm going to talk about power of comments when you map your data. Alright, what does this actually mean? Okay, well, I'll explain. For example, let's just say I've got a couple of fields here. So these fields are pulling from my contracts object, and what I've done is when I go ahead and insert a field, not a table, insert a field, for example, I can choose an object here whenever I want, okay? I can just say I want to get from account. And within account, I can choose, I don't know, I can specify, there's a comment field. I can say this account only pulls through country. Okay, once I've added a comment, I can go ahead and choose a country field from a specific object. Now, once I've done that, and this looks very good, we've got the field through. What if I wanted to add another one? I say, okay, insert field. Not table, field. So we'll insert another field. Now, when it comes to this, now you can choose from different objects again. You can again choose from account. However, do you see this comment, this account only pulls through country? You can say, actually, I've pulled from this one before, I can pull from again. And this is where comment really comes in handy, because you can set up, you can pull within the word add-in from different, you may need to pull a couple of fields from object, but in different places within your template. So it's really handy to know that you've already actually gotten from that specific object before, and you can pull again. I'll give you another example that you can see that primarily what I'm doing here is that I'm pulling through from contract. So what I've done is I've already specified contract, but I'll put get contract details. So now if I insert another field from contract, instead of saying contract, I've said, oh, actually I've already specified contract here, it says get contract details. And now I can just get another field from contract, which is going to be the country field, and you're good to go. So that's the power of adding comments when you map your data. So you know that you've already mapped the data from a specific object before, and all you have to do is map it again. And then all you do is insert field, look through your specific object, you go like, oh, okay, hold on a minute, I've already put a comment next to contract. And you can even do for any other ones. You can say contact, for example. You can say contact and say this will pull all contact details. And you just go insert birthday, for example. That's that. And then if I was to go ahead and insert another field, and instead of this will pull all the contact details, I can specify another contact and say this will pull GDPR details. And then I'll just choose I consent, for example. Now notice I've pulled these two fields, but if I want to go and insert another field, but from the same object but for a different purpose, I can just tell. I can say, okay, you know what? This one pulls all the GDPR details, great, I just need to select a field from there. This one pulls all the contact details, great, I can just pull the details from there. And then if you want to add another one, you can add another. And the point of this is that you can have literally all different types of gets and pushes, and you can choose from same object multiple different times. However, a comment will literally save your day, because if you don't add a comment and you only have two contacts there, let's just do this example. Let's get rid of this. And then in this one, let's get rid of this. Okay, and then we'll just insert a random field. And now if I go to insert another field, for example, table, insert another field, I am now confused that which one's which, because all of a sudden I've got a contact and I've got another contact. And I'll tell you what, I'll get rid of this as well. And we'll just insert another field. Okay, if I now go to insert another field, and as you see, I've removed two contacts comments, I don't know which one's which. I'm confused. Which one's which? What's this doing and what is this doing? That's where adding a comment will save your life. So be sure to add a comment every time you insert an object. Be sure to add a comment. Be like, okay, this one is for XYZ. I know it will save you a lot of hassle in the future. So that's the power of comments. Be sure to add comments when you map data. Thank you for watching this video.